Most people think investing is about finding the next big opportunity. But here's the truth most financial gurus won't tell you. If you don't control your money will never work for you. You don't need more income to start investing. You need a better budget. And in the next few minutes, you'll understand how smart investors plan their money before they invest. Investing starts with honesty. You must know how much you truly earn, not your best month, not money you're hoping for, only what comes in consistently. When you ignore this, you end up investing with money you'll need later. And that's how people quit investing too early. This is why financial discipline matters. Control unnecessary spending, reduce impulse buying, and create space in your budget for investments. If you're learning something valuable already, subscribe to this YouTube channel because we break down money, business, and investing in simple, practical ways. The smartest investors don't wait till the end of the month. They invest first. The moment money comes in, they set aside a portion immediately. It doesn't have to be big. What matters is making investing a habit, not an occasional decision. Waiting for enough money is a trap. Small, consistent investments outperform random big moves over time. Consistency builds wealth faster than motivation. Protect your investments by preparing for emergencies. When you have savings to fall back on, you won't be forced to sell your investments when life throws surprises at you. Your budget is not permanent. As your income grows, your investment plan should grow with it. Review, adjust, and stay intentional. When budgeting is done right, investing becomes simple. Plan your money. Invest with purpose. Let time work in your favor.